Hey everybody, how you doing? It is Mr. Bookman, and I will be reading Time for Kenny by Brian Pinkney. Please enjoy. Time for Kenny. It's time for Kenny to get dressed for the day. Can you wear the shirt? No, that's Daddy's shirt. Can he wear these shoes? No, those are Mommy's shoes. Can he wear these shorts? No, silly. Those are his sister's shorts. Can he wear this hat? No, that is Granddaddy's hat.
I absolutely love it. It's really unexpected. I love the bookshelves.
Time to take Granddaddy to the bus. Is Kenny dressed? Yes.
Use your imagination on this one a little bit because I know it's like somebody too.
Kenny doesn't like the vacuum cleaner. It sweeps up. It sleeps in the closet. It roars like a lion.
Well, let's talk about it. Okay, I think we can agree that this room needs some redesigning. It was forever. One more thing in the balcony, and if you want to have a look at that.
It eats Kenny's chips.
This is something special, right?
It eats Kenny's cereal.
There are people in the garden. Yeah, it's a very special permaculture garden. Open at certain times. Public.
Can it eat Kenny? Can it eat Could it eat Kenny? A kitty? Could it eat Kenny? No, it can't eat Kenny. But Daddy might tickle him.
I'm shocked that he can't find a way to make this space work. So we have the kitchen last, and this kitchen has a very sort of.
Kenny's sister is teaching him soccer. No hands, she says. Kenny tries to kick the ball with his right foot. He tries to kick it with his left foot. He falls on it. He rides on it. He tries to pick it up. No hands. Kenny uses his knees. He uses his head. He kicks the ball high. He kicks the ball low. He kicks it right. He kicks it left. And sometimes he makes a goal. Kenny's bedtime is in 5 minutes, but Kenny is not tired. It is 4 minutes before Kenny goes to bed, but Kenny is not tired. 3 minutes until Kenny goes to bed. but Kenny is not tired. Two minutes before Kenny has to go to bed, but Kenny is not tired. 1 minute until bedtime, but Kenny still isn't tired.
Nice outfit. What are you going, tap dancing in 1924? Ow! Yeah, I just wanted to check it. I got it, pal. I'm on a roll.
Time for bed. I'm tired, says Kenny.
Go! What about I'm the only celebrity you want? You're not a celebrity. You're a talking peanut with no pants. I was talking about the time I drove the symbol you off the list. Nobody cares.
But you can read me a book.
Save it for the roast, Mr. Peanut. But eat your whole family.
Well, wasn't that a cute story? Time for Kenny. How many of you have had someone read you a book before you went to bed? Well, let me know with a thumbs up if you've had somebody read you a book before you went to bed. And how many of you have tried to put on your father's stuff and your mommy's stuff and everything? Let me know in the comment box with thumbs up. Well, everybody, hope all of you enjoyed this book reading, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up. Share it. If you're new and you came along this book reading, hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other book readings I got. I got plenty. But until my next book reading, they call me Mr. Bookman. And this book reading's over. Have a good one, and take care, everybody.